Okay, well, I'm going to talk about this, and then you can talk about the toy skidder. So, one of our cabinet doors broke, so I got it glued. These aren't constructed all that well, so they broke. But I don't trust just this glue joint, so I'm going to take off the clamps and then put in a backer piece in the back, so it's good and strong and won't fall apart.
Yeah.
And my son's going to tell you about this toy skidder he wants to make.
Yeah. That's very important. After you will make it, I will play with it. Wow, what's that wooden tool?
This is a wooden clamp.
Why? What's that wooden clamp for?
It's for clamping things. See, like this, it gets bigger, and it gets smaller.
Why don't you do all of that and then it gets bigger and smaller?
Because you're turning the threads. Want to try it?
Is that how we turn the hands? I don't know.
There you go.
And then it gets even smaller and then bigger.
So the plan is I'm going to put a dado in here, a slot, and then I'm going to put in another piece across, and it will look a little funky, but it's the inside, so I don't care, and it should keep this from breaking. I've done it on another one of these doors, which also broke. That one broke on the hinge side because of me doing something stupid, but this side should work just fine over here too. So get the dado set up, and I will cut it.
Alright, that's my big friend Daddy talked about this. And now I'm gonna talk about the toy skidder.
Okay, you tell them about your toy skidder.
Well, the toy skidder that my dad's gonna make is, I asked him to do that, and he did this thing and this. Oh, thanks, Daddy. Thanks for letting me talk about tape measures.
Yeah, which one's your favorite?
Oh, my favorite is this one. You never play with tape measures. With the cabinet?
Almost.
Oh, could you hold this for me too, Daddy?
Yeah.
Okay.
So here's what it looks like when it's done. There's one of these pieces of wood, both top and bottom. I didn't get a video of me installing it, but it's basically just put in with glue and clamp it. I didn't bother trying to match the color of the cabinet wood because on the inside here, nobody will see it. This one, I did try to match it and it came out okay. It does probably look a little better than the other one, but really, I don't care. And really, I wanted my cabinet door back on, so that's why the other one didn't get finished at all.
How about when you watch more of my videos, you have to just hit this subscribe button and watch more of my videos.